Understanding antenna positioning, a key to better communication. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: antenna positioning. Whether it's in technology or everyday communication, understanding this phrase can unlock new levels of clarity and effectiveness. Let's explore what it means and why it's so important. Antenna positioning combines two key words: antenna, which is a device used to send or receive signals, and positioning, referring to the act of placing something in a particular spot or direction. Together, this phrase often relates to the precise placement of antennas to ensure optimal signal reception or transmission. Why is antenna positioning critical? In technology, especially in telecommunications, how an antenna is positioned can significantly impact the quality of communication. Proper positioning ensures stronger connectivity, clearer signals, and wider coverage areas. It's about finding the right angle, location, and orientation to maximize efficiency and performance. Beyond its technical usage, antenna positioning can also be used metaphorically. It might describe how individuals position themselves in conversations or social interactions to better receive or understand others. Think of it as adjusting your personal antennas, your attention or approach, to ensure clear communication. Understanding antenna positioning enriches our appreciation for the complexities of both technology and human interaction. It's not just about the physical placement of devices but also about how we align ourselves to receive and transmit messages effectively. We hope this explanation illuminates the concept and enhances your English learning journey. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.